Living in Miami comes with many perks: sunshine, beaches, and vibrant culture. But it also comes with a significant seasonal threat: hurricanes. As hurricane season approaches, homeowners and property managers must take proactive steps to protect their properties and loved ones. Among the most critical yet often underestimated aspects of storm preparedness is professional window installation. In hurricane-prone regions like Miami, this step isn't optional, it's essential. The Miami Hurricane Reality: Miami lies in a high-risk zone for hurricanes. From June through November, the city can face violent storms with winds exceeding 100 miles per hour, accompanied by torrential rain and flying debris. These storms have the potential to cause extensive damage to properties, especially if the structure is not reinforced. Windows are one of the most vulnerable points in a home during a hurricane. When winds penetrate through broken or poorly sealed windows, they can create internal pressure that leads to roof damage or even total structural failure. That's why securing windows through professional installation is more than a safety measure, it's a life-saving decision. Importance of hurricane-resistant windows. Modern hurricane-resistant windows, also known as impact windows, are specially designed to withstand extreme weather. They're built using multiple layers of laminated glass and strong framing materials like aluminum or vinyl. Even if the outer layer of the glass cracks, the inner film holds the glass in place, preventing dangerous shards and keeping your home sealed from the storm. However, even the best hurricane window won't offer full protection if it's poorly installed. Gaps, misalignments, or the wrong mounting techniques can weaken their structural integrity. That's why professional installation is just as important as the quality of the window itself. Benefits of professional window installation in Miami: code compliance and safety standards. Florida has strict building codes specifically designed to mitigate hurricane damage. Professional window installers in Miami are well versed in these regulations. They ensure every window is installed to meet or exceed state and local building codes, giving homeowners peace of mind and insurance protection. Watertight and wind-resistant sealing. Improperly installed windows can allow water intrusion, leading to mold, wood rot, and structural decay. Certified installers use precise techniques and weatherproof materials to ensure your windows are not only impact-resistant but also fully sealed against driving rain and wind. Insurance premium reduction. Many insurance companies offer significant discounts for homes equipped with approved impact windows. But to qualify, the installation must meet official standards. DIY or unlicensed installations often disqualify homeowners from these benefits. Energy efficiency year-round. While hurricane protection is the primary focus, professional window installation also improves energy efficiency. Proper sealing and insulation reduce air leaks, keeping your home cooler during Miami's sweltering summers and lowering energy bills. Common mistakes to avoid. Some homeowners make the mistake of assuming storm shutters alone are sufficient. While shutters do offer protection, they require last-minute installation and may fail under extreme conditions. Others rely on regular windows with reinforced glass, unaware that these don't meet hurricane impact standards. The most dangerous mistake, however, is opting for a bargain installer who lacks the certifications and experience needed for hurricane-rated systems. Timing matters. Don't wait until it's too late. The worst time to think about hurricane window installation is when a storm is already on the radar. During peak season, reputable installers are often booked out, and supply chains can experience delays. The best time to act is before hurricane season begins, or during the off-season, to avoid the rush and ensure your home is fully protected when it matters most. Final thoughts. Window installation in Miami is not just about aesthetics or basic home upgrades. It's a vital layer of defense in a region where nature's fury can strike with little warning. By investing in professional hurricane window installation, homeowners protect not just their property, but their family's safety and long-term financial well-being. In a city that's no stranger to hurricanes, preparing now can mean the difference between devastation and peace of mind.